We are going to look at the opening an Amazon account in this section of this course, and I will be looking at the account types. I will be looking at the setup requirements for opening an Amazon account, and I will look at the combined and European and North American account types. I will also give the some tips for things to avoid when setting up an account on Amazon. The first question is you are going to have to answer when setting up Amazon account, which type of account level is right for me. You can choose between the basic and professional level. Here is a list on this slide of this way in which these different account types differ. So firstly, listening fee on a basic account. Firstly, listening fee on a basic account. This is the 75% fee which is payable in the item sold plus the referral fee which is typically around 50% but does vary per category for the professional level account. There is no fixed fee, only the referral fee to pay for the basic account. There is no ongoing subscription fee, but for the professional account there was a £25 fee per month. So for the basic account level, you can only create product manually one by one, but for the professional level, you can upload files to multiple products at once. But the basic account, you can set your own shipping rates. You can only set the shipping rates that Amazon provides you with. But for professional account, you can set up shipping templates that can be attached to the product which set the shipping rates. Finally, the buy box. Basically, applicants are not eligible for the buy box, only professional level accounts. In summary, if you are going to be selling more than a few tens of items every month, Amazon says 35. You should really opt for the professional level account. The Amazon marketplace works by the way of a commission fee charged on every item which is sold. This is typically 50% of the sales price plus the shipping, and that is tax inclusive price. Now 50% is the roughly the figure is the most common figure for the most category, but some categories do differ. So there was also the variation by country. If the item does not sell, there is no fees to pay on the top of the referral fee, but some sellers choose to pay extra exposure for their product using the Amazon sponsored product service. And this is charged and cost per click basis. Amazon has created what I refer to as combined European Union and North American accounts. This means that a single login you can access different Amazon countries from the same interface. This has certain benefits. For example, the inventory across these countries is shared. You use these three items in the United Kingdom, it will only show listing three items in France, Italy, Germany, Spain, etc. This means that much lower chance of overselling in Europe. That's something called pan-European FBA, which will come onto the latter. Instead of paying a fee for each country, you will pay a single fee per account. So you will pay a single fee for European country, a single piece of the North American country, and the account information is also shared. Now let's take a quick look in the Amazon itself for the feature of the combined accounts. You will see here the top there a drop down which show all the different countries that have been combined together in this account, which is my personal account that has the European country here and the North American countries here. And also has some other accounts that I have registered for the European and the North American account are combined by default. These other accounts have to be added in separately, and I will also show you how in a moment. As I mentioned, the inventory is shared across the combined account of the European and the North American account. If I was to change this inventory number here, it would update on in this case all the European account, and if it will need to be changed once and it would appear across the 5 connected territories. If we go to the settings and we go to the account information, there is a certain thing which can be edited in one place and will change across the accounts. So if we click on the profile, we can see the information here for all the European accounts which can be edited in one place. And if we go back and click on account bank account information again, and you can have one bank account and which can be assigned to the country within the European zone, and that's the same on the North American zones as well. And also what you can do is if you have got the North American account, a European account and the other countries, you combine them together into the single login. And that's done here on the global account, and the additional account can be added, and then you can when you log in once you can then choose the countries from the drop down here.